Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be doing another tool review because I got something exciting and I wanted to show it to you. So this here is a Wiha bit ratchet set. I picked it up on Amazon for, it was a little while ago now, I guess, Prime Day. It was like a week ago for me, probably a little bit longer for you by the time this video gets out. But Prime Day was like 30 bucks. I think normally it's like 35 or 40. Kind of an impulse buy. This is a Wiha bit ratchet set. Wiha being a German company that make fancy nice tools. I'm really not a bit ratchet person. Some of you guys may have seen my video on my gear wrench bit ratchet set. But basically, I use that one at work and it gets the job done. It's bailed me out a few times in tight quarters, but I basically found that I kind of want one in the shop here. So I ended up buying one, picked this one up. Like I said, it's a brand I'm familiar with and it was a good deal, so I figured I'd pick it up. And I am very pleasantly surprised. There's lots of features on this that I really like. One of them is the fact that the bit just barely goes in, and I've got a couple short size bits for a different screwdriver that would fit that really nicely. It's also a magnetic bit, so it kind of goes in and out super easy, no detents, but it is held on really nicely. Additionally, this is a metal case. You never get a tool with a nice metal case anymore. You just don't see it. And then finally, it comes with this little bit ratchet, this little like bit holder extension that is just absolutely crazy. So I thought I was having an issue with it because I couldn't get the guy to go in. But once I push it past the detent, it said it was magnetic, so I was confused as to why it wouldn't come out. But turns out it actually is bit retaining, and it has this little collar you pull, and that lets you take it out. So that kind of blew me away. I mean, that seems like a pretty trivial thing, but I've never seen that before, so that's really nifty. So yeah, between all of that and the cute little case, I'm a big fan. The other thing is the ratchet feels really heavy in the hand. It's surprisingly good feeling. It's just got it feels good. The bit retention is nice. It's nice and smooth, and the ratcheting action is nice and even. My only complaint so far is that the back drag on it is a little bit stiff. So if you're turning a screw in a tight area and it turns easily, you might not be able to get it. You might just turn it back and forth. But in which case, it has this nice little toothed knurly wheel on the top that actually works and doesn't seem to bind up. So I'm going to be using this. Going to try it out. Hopefully it works out well for me. Already I'm a lot more impressed than the gear wrench ratchet set. And it's actually comparably priced. The gear wrench one was, I think, 60 bucks, and it came with 2 ratchets and some regular sockets in addition to all the bits, but it came in kind of a chintzy large plastic holder, and it didn't come with an extension. This one comes with pretty much everything you need. Alright, can't wait to put this guy into my routine, but that's going to be it for today. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.